A burglary suspect suffered dog bites after refusing to surrender to police in Anaheim Monday afternoon. Anaheim police responded to a report of a residential burglary at about 10:40 a.m.
The Anaheim Police Department received a call from a female caller in the 2600 block of East Norm Place in reference to a possible burglary occurring. As officers arrived in the area, several witnesses indicated that at least 2 or 3 suspects fled the area of the residence upon officers' arrival. There were reports that 2 of the 3 suspects were armed with handguns.
One male, a juvenile, was detained shortly after officers arrived. Through a yard-to-yard search, a second suspect was discovered hiding in the bushes of a nearby home. After repeated calls asking him to surrender, a police dog was released and that suspect sustained injuries to his right arm. He was transported to a local hospital where he remains in custody. 2 nearby schools were temporarily placed on lockdown.
Gwynn Elementary School and Catella High School were briefly put on lockdown. That lockdown was lifted when we determined that the containment area was east of the school areas.
Investigators went through one of the suspect's belongings left at the scene, looking for items possibly taken from the home. Police continued to search door to door throughout surrounding neighborhoods for a possible third suspect until about 1 p.m. Rob Whitfield for OCRegister.com.